My name is Sarah Acham, and we are going to design a WordPress site today using WordPress.com. I usually use WordPress.org because I have quite a number of clients I have to design for. So WordPress.com is good for not believers, sorry, for beginners. Yes, WordPress.com is good for beginners, and then WordPress.org is usually used by WordPress developers. So if you don't have coding skills, if you're not really strong in, in web design and all that, and you're a beginner, you can use WordPress.com. It is very, very easier. So we are going to search for WordPress.com. WordPress.com. Okay, so here the first result says build a site, sell your stuff, and start a blog or more. So we are going to click here. Okay, so we are here. Hassle-free WordPress, no stress. We are team no stress. So you click on get started. We are assuming we don't have any account right now with WordPress, but if you have an account with WordPress, you just log in and then now you catch up with the steps of designing the website. So click on get started and then continue with Google, continue with Apple, continue with GitHub, continue with email. But then I want to continue with email. So I click on there and then I enter my email, our sudo email, the usual sudo email, gmail.com. Okay, then you click continue. Okay, so choose your domain. So we are going to choose a domain, and that domain is going to correspond with our our business. So I'm going to use Article Photos. Article Photos. Article Photos as my domain name. So here they have given me suggestions as atutoolphotos.blog, atutool.photo, atutool, and blah 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 blah. But then it looks like I don't have any money. I don't have money for all this. You see, they are saying you pay $22. It's first free for the first year. But right now, Sarah doesn't have money. So we are going to use the free domain. The free domain. You see down here, when I scroll down like this, you see a free domain. Atutorialphotos.wordpress.com. If you have the money, then you go ahead and do atutorialphotos.blog.com. See here. Are you seeing where my cursor is? It's showing atutorialphotos.com. So you can select it and then like you pay using your card. But if you don't have the money, then you're going to use atutorialphotos.wordpress.com. Also talking about these domains, they are saying it's free for the first year with annual paid plan. So if you have an annual paid plan for WordPress, it's usually free. But we are assuming that we have no annual paid plan and we don't even have money right now. So I'm going to just select the free domain. So I click on select and then I click continue. Okay, so choose your flavor of WordPress. Which one do you want? Do you want tea or coffee? Or do you want vanilla? So here there are different packages. Personal, $4 a month, build annually, all that. So we want the free one here. Get a taste of the world's most popular CMS, content management system. So I'm going to click on start with free. They're turning on the lights. Wow, here we are. What would you like to do? sell physical goods, upload photos, build a site for a school, sell services or digital goods, create a contact form. Depending on what you want to do, you will have to select from this list. So let's say for me, mine is a photography business. For you, if you're selling physical goods, you click here. If you're doing for a school, you click here. If you're promoting the business, select, you know. So I'm gonna have to select sell services or digital goods. Then I click on next. So we are going to pick a theme. We shall pick a theme to see how our site, is going to look. And also themes help you to have that design. So we have different themes here. There is Mal, Atar, Risky Pro, Taza. So all others, some are free, others are expensive. So I'm gonna scroll down and I want to choose a good theme, and I'm going to choose 2024 as a theme. So I click on it and then click on continue. So you see how the theme looks before even I click on continue. It is here. Wow, what a beautiful site. So I click on continue. I know that this is the default style. If you want to change the style, you can select any of these. Let's try and select amber and see. But amber doesn't look nice. The colors don't match. Let's go back to the default style here. And then you click continue. They're sprinkling now some magic. They're sprinkling magic to make it, look nice. Something very beautiful. All of that. So they are applying the shiny whatever, closing the loop. So let's wait. Okay, they're showing us our home. So we have to get started and we have to give the site a name. I've already given my site a name here, but you can also do it, just follow what I'm doing. So give your site a name. Okay, so you put in here your site title. Let's say it's a tutorial photos like I've done here. See, it's editable. Then you put your tagline, what your business do. I've added that I'm a reliable service provider in Uganda. This is my icon. You can upload your icon right here. So if I remove, let's say I'm removing this icon. So if I want to add an icon here, just choose icon. And then I'm taken to the library. So you select an icon here, but usually the best icon for your site is the logo. So I don't have a logo yet, but I'm going to use this as my logo. Put the alternative text so that if it's not visible to viewers, then they can be able to see. Let's say here I'm putting my logo. Yeah, so you set it as a site icon. Then now here, you can make a logo using Viva. Please make a logo using Viva if you don't have. My time is in Nairobi and all of that. So just this. So I click on Save Changes. So after saving the changes, I want to go back. So I'm just going to, you know, go back again. So it's going to be a little bit complicated. But I want to do this and then I can go here back to the dashboard. And then I can now update my site's design. I can install the app. So if you want to update the site's design, So you do that, but now I don't want to update my site's design, so there's really nothing. So updating the site design means changing all this. See, this is how your site looks, basing on the theme that we selected earlier on. This is how your site looks, but now I don't want to update, so I'll just go back home, and then all of this, yeah, all of this. So you can click here to verify, you can select install app. So if you select install app, it then you know, and allows you to download for Windows so that you can go direct to WordPress if you want. It allows you to download for Mac and all that, but I don't want to do that. But then if you want, you can click download, and then the download will get started. So I go back, and then I want to verify my address. So if you want to verify your email address, you just click on verify email, and then your email address is verified and all that. So there is a link that will be sent to your email. So you click on it, and then you verify. So this email, this one which you use for signing in, the one you created for WordPress, is the one where the a link is going to be sent. So you have to verify it. Yeah, you verify it through that link. Yeah. So now I'm going to go back. Uh, enable post sharing. Let's see what this is all about. Connect to this one enables you to connect to social media, so you can connect your to connect to social media, connect to LinkedIn, connect everywhere. You connect, and log in, and set up. The same applies to these other sites, Instagram business and all that. Yeah. So I'm gonna go back again, and then I haven't yet verified my email address because WordPress is delaying to send the link, but they will definitely send it. That one, there is no need to actually worry about it. Yes. So I'm gonna have to skip the dashboard. To skip to the dashboard,